Welcome to my new channel. Sorry for the lighting and for the clean laundry that I need to put away behind me, but this is my new channel. It's called Cats O'Dunnabane. And I love my cats. I want to share them. So today we're going to have a video on my cat eating lunch and how this one is obsessed with tomatoes. Wow, she's sleeping so soundly after her lunch. So, if you like cat ASMR like I do, because it's adorable, enjoy today's video. Who wants tomato? Aurora, you want tomato? Aurora? Aurora? You want tomato? What do we think? You want tomato? Hey, tomato, you want it? The other cat's like, this isn't food. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Tomato. Tomato? Excuse the kinetic sand that my children just played with last night. We went to a birthday party yesterday. Here you go, Tomato Queen. Cat eating tomatoes. Yes, microwave, I hear you. I know I need to eat my lunch. Her lunch is more important right now. It's a cat eating tomatoes. You realize you're stepping on your plate, right? And yes, that is SpongeBob playing in the background. Alright, give me a second, buddy.
Get the kind of cheese.
Pinky out, cat. She does have 6 toes, in case you were wondering. So she could put a pinky out. Right, princess? There you go. Cat eating tomatoes. Nom, nom, nom. Don't worry, I gave the other cats food too, but she ate it all up before I had a chance to show you. That was fast. And I gave them paper plates because I'm washing their bowls. So, this is what I have today. Is that good? Is that good? So cute.
Here's your hamster. Okay, now go.
So here's the benefit of giving her tomatoes. I get the kitty cuddles. I get the kitty cuddles. She put herself here. I did not put her here. She put herself here. Didn't you? You happy girl? Happy girl. Look at the thumbs. The thumbs. Happy girl. Happy tomato queen. Tomato kitty. There's her tail. Look at her tail. Excuse the bloody knee from me hitting my knee on the Amazon box earlier.
Where do you put the
This is with a
office?
tail. Happy cow. Aren't you? Happy cow. Have anything to say to your viewers? She's like, why do you keep putting this in my face?
That wasn't funny, SpongeBob. Y'all had me worried sick.
There's also all the laundry I have to put away in the background. You see that?
Half a candy. Half candy.
Let's finish lunch first, boys.
I face mine.
Yeah?
Think. Your public's waiting.
I guess it's time for the humans to get a treat too.
Lifting weights, big laugh, frisbee in face,
Say goodbye, Aurora.
surfing, knocks him dead,
Say goodbye.
pretending to drown. No. Come on, think.